Good morning! We're finally taking the van out on its first camping trip at a wildlife management area, and so that means it's time for a van tour. Let's check it out. Let's start out with the back of the van. Here I have everything packed for the camping trip, and I'll take you through it. These are my 2 truck boxes. This one is all my kitchen stuff, and this is, lights, tarps, fun stuff, etc. Cooler fits under here. There's the jackery. I keep bits and bobs up here, extra trash bags, extra power cords. One of those back there holds the bug nets for my windows. And then underneath the jackery is the water reservoir. And it fits 2 bundles of wood perfectly. This is my tire inflator, and underneath the cooler I have traction, get yourself out of soft sand kind of gear. I have a hammock and a folding table back in there. Plenty more space to fill things up. I've started keeping the window cover on the wood after it cracked, so that is, insulating it from the heat, hopefully helping it. Okay, so in this cubby, I keep an S-hook. And I've got this screwed into the bottom of the table. Put the S-hook there, and then that hooks up so I can access my cooler without having to hold the lid. I also put a light under here so I can see in the dark what I'm doing. Now I'll show you how I access my water. I put the jackery here because I do have an outlet so I can charge it while I'm driving, which is very convenient. And at night, sometimes I'll leave it up on top so I can turn it off and on while I'm in the van. This shelf lifts up, slides over, and in here I've got all my wood and fire paraphernalia and the water. The water jug also slides out when I want to refill it. There, now you can see the get yourself out of trouble traction pads I've got under there. They raise the cooler up to a nice level so that this little design fits over this ledge. It gives me a little bit more room for the headboard so everything fits nicely. Over here is my DIY awning that I made yesterday. I've got 2 7-foot poles and 2 poles that can go up to 9 feet. They're about at 8 feet right now. And then to attach it to the van, I've got aluminum conduit, a thin one and a thicker one, so they fit inside each other. And then I just zip tie it to the roof rack. These little pieces of wood keep it from rolling forward. And then to store it, they fit inside each other, and I put these little cane tips on the end so the poles don't slide around when I'm traveling. So it folds down to a 5-foot length. I got these little rug squares at the Dollar Tree. They have a rubber bottom, so they'll stay dry unless it rains. And then I've got this tote that a lot of people have, I think, to keep my shoes in case it rains overnight. I can also shove my sandals under here, which I do sometimes. I've also got a secondary trash can. This came with my pop-up tent, but it fits on these extension tool poles really well. So it's always handy to have multiple places to throw things out. Let's go inside. So inside I've got my bed. This is built on a lounge chair, so I can actually tilt the head of it up if I want to sit in here comfortably. Underneath of it, I have 2 of these wooden boxes that I built, and they store my clothes, toiletries, things like that. They just slide back. This is my trash can. I love it. I got that at IKEA. It's nice because you can use it as another surface to set things on. Yeah, so here's my fan. It can clip onto anywhere. It can also hang, which is great. You know, it's about to be Christmas, so I have it decorated. This table I built folds up and down, and I can store things in it. And I keep a lot of my extra charging cables in here. This book somehow doesn't slide around, which is amazing. The headboard I built mostly because I hate when my pillow falls off my bed. So that was the, you know, design motivation for a headboard, and I'm very happy with it. I like separating the back from the interior here, and then when I want to sit in here I can also kind of lean against here and use it as a couch, which is very comfortable. I do have window screens that I made. I store them along the side here. They just fit right in here. They're Reflectix with felt on one side and then this wool pattern on the other. Nothing revolutionary, but I do like them. I did build a wooden floor. It's plywood with vinyl on top, and it's got several joists, I think 4, to even out the slope of the back here. I built everything myself, and if you want to know anything else about how I built that, I do have an entire playlist taking you through the entire process, start to finish, and I'll probably make that all into one long video as well. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This is Johnny Cash, the van in black, and I hope to go on many more adventures in this. So have a great day. Thanks for watching. Bye. Channel. easy to remove label on my ass. Let's just soak that label off. Come on.